Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to use Manychat on WhatsApp. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper on how to do this. So first one is just simply go to the settings in your Manychat account. And after that, once you are on the settings, it will be on the left side. You should be able to see their channels and just simply select WhatsApp. And now, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and click on connect. And from there, guys, you will have a connection option. So you can use your existing phone number, or you can just simply go ahead and purchase a phone number from Manychat. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And guys, in order for you to do this, you must follow the steps that I'm going to show you so you can authenticate your account. So guys, the first one that you must have is verification. So your business number must be verified. And another thing is that your pricing. So ManyChat for WhatsApp incurs an additional charge on top of the ManyChat Pro subscription. So you have to avail their Pro feature. And guys, if you have an unverified account, it will display a banner that your account has limitations or limited actions. And guys, WhatsApp allow message sending only within 24 hours of users' last interaction. And another thing, guys, is that it has a template so you can create and send templates to daily message limits and approval delays. And templates can be edited within 24 hours of creation or last edit. And guys, the benefit of using WhatsApp in ManyChat is that WhatsApp can serve as a marketing and sales channel. And there you go. I hope this video is informative and help you understand more. And thanks for watching.